Ever wondered why you don't sneeze when you're catching some Z's? Let's dive into the fascinating world of sneezing in your sleep. When we're snoozing, our bodies do some pretty amazing stuff. It's like a nightly maintenance routine. One cool fact: your sneeze nerve, the trigeminal nerve, takes a nap too. This nerve is responsible for detecting irritants in your nose. It's like your body's way of saying, hey, let's keep things calm while we recharge. Your body prioritizes rest and recovery. During sleep, your brain is mostly in relaxation mode. It's busy processing the day's events and preparing you for tomorrow. This includes the parts that control sneezing. They get a break too, ensuring you stay undisturbed. So, even if dust or allergens try to crash your sleep party, your brain says, not tonight, buddy. It's like having a bouncer at the door.